We hope you're enjoying using FunShine digital lesson plans. We'd like to tell you a little bit more about the My Lesson Plans page. First, you see the Theme category drop-down. This allows you to move back and forth between FunShine daily lesson plans and the Christian lesson plans if you have them. Next, notice the Viewing Week Of drop-down. This allows you to move back and forth between the different weeks on your calendar. The Materials List button shows you a list of materials you'll need for the week, organized by day and activity. You can access this list from your smartphone as you're shopping to be sure you have everything you need for the week. The Resource List button shows you a list of printables that are attached to the activities where they're used, all in one convenient place. You can decide whether you want to print the materials or show them on an electronic device. Finally, the Print Calendar button allows you to download and print a copy of your weekly calendar to hang on your wall. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. All of our contact information is at the bottom of every FunShine Express page. Have a great day!